In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Shopify AI Store Builder. We'll start from a clean login and end with a customized theme that actually reflects your brand so you can move quickly from idea to a store that looks professional and feels on brand. First, open Shopify and log into your account. Once you're in the admin dashboard, look to the left-hand menu. This is your control center for everything in your store. Click Online Store to open the website side of your Shopify setup, where you control the look and structure of your storefront. Inside Online Store, choose Themes. This page shows your current theme at the top and options to explore or customize below. What we want is Shopify's built-in AI starter, which speeds up those early design choices so you're not starting from a blank canvas. On the themes page, find the section labeled Design Your Store in Seconds. This is the AI Store Builder. It's typically near the top of the page and gives you a prompt box to describe the kind of store you want. Type your prompt and click Generate Themes. For best results, be specific. Mention your product category, your brand vibe, colors you like, and your audience. For example, a modern minimalist skincare store with soft neutrals, clean typography, and a focus on natural ingredients for a wellness-focused audience. Adding a couple of product types and the tone you prefer, like playful, luxurious, or eco-friendly, helps the AI make stronger choices. Once Shopify generates options, review the themes provided by AI. Open the previews and look at the homepage layout, header navigation, and how product sections are arranged. Check readability, spacing, and image placements. Flip through to see how a product page and collection page might feel. If you're on desktop, quickly resize your browser to get a sense of mobile friendliness. After you select a theme, edit the AI generated content. Replace placeholder text with your actual brand messaging, refine headlines, and adjust calls to action so they fit your voice. Swap out generic images for your own photography or brand assets. Tweak colors and fonts to match your palette and typography standards. Use the section settings to reorder blocks, adjust spacing, and turn off anything you don't need. Keep an eye on consistency across sections so the store feels cohesive from top to bottom. Finally, add real products and click Save once you're done. As you populate your listings, make sure titles, descriptions, prices, and images are accurate so your featured sections pull in the right items. Save your changes regularly to lock in your progress. That's it, you've used Shopify's AI to jumpstart your design, refined it to fit your brand, and connected real products all in a streamlined workflow.